Guys, so in today's video we got a special video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing a Toshiba laptop and we'll see what it does. So this apparently doesn't come with anything like a drive or RAM, but I got that stuff, so it's not that big of a deal. And if it doesn't, we will just we'll put a drive in, put some RAM in, and yeah. So here's the laptop. Move the box. So we'll break this open. Alright. So yes, this does not come with RAM or a drive, but I got a charger right here, and well, I'll get a drive in a little bit. I got some RAM, so give me a sec. Alright, so we got, I know this says 8 gig DDR3L, but I have a 4 gigabyte stick and a 2 gigabyte stick of DDR3L that should work in this computer. So we got a 4 gig right here. So this computer right for now is going to have 6 gigs of RAM. So we're going to do that. We're going to have 6 gigs. And it does not have a drive, so it's not going to boot. But in this video, I'm going to download some recovery media in a bit, and we're going to recover this computer. And so I'll have the OEM install that's what it's shipped with. This is not right. Alright, so I got this. I got a Toshiba charger right here. Now, I know it says 19 volts and 2.37 amps, which I also have a charger for that. We're going to try this charger. I'm going to plug this into here from my power strip. Open it up, let's turn it on. Let's turn it on. Should power up and say no bootable device. RTC batteries are low, press 2. So we are going to have to boot to a PE because I want to have the right install date and time. But yeah, we have no drive. For the match shit DVD drive, that's funny. So yeah, we're going to just get 2. And get no bootable device. So I'm going to download some recovery media. I'm going to run it to some CDs or DVDs actually, and we're going to get the show on the road, and we're also going to install an SSD.
A few moments later.
Okay, so guys, so we got this SSD. I'm going to put it in. This. Alright, so I'm going to get the capture card, I'm going to hook it up, and we are going to get this going. Alright, so guys, so I got the capture card. We're going to turn it on. We're going to do F2. We're going to eject the disk drive. Now, I don't know if the disk drive works or not. It may not work, so I may have to go grab another disk drive. So I burned our DVDs. So where did I put them? Where did I put the DVDs? They're right here. So I'm going to put it in recovery disk 1. So I may have to also reboot the computer. I'm actually gonna reboot it just to be safe. So I'm just gonna do. Actually, I'm just gonna power it off. Open the lid, power it off, power it back on, close the lid so it shows up on the capture card. So I'm going to do F2, F12, the boot menu. So trying to go to the boot menu, but it's also got a spinner disk. Let's go to our DVD RAM. Try this again. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. We are booting to our DVD, as you can see, because this is actually an MBR installation. I actually pulled this out of another computer, so it's gonna get wiped, but that's fine, because I want the OEM on this computer. So yeah, I don't know if this disk drive works fully or not. We'll have to see. So it may be able to read single layer, but if it'll let me, I'm gonna try to make a backup of the either with some dual layers and maybe a USB if Toshiba's let you make multiple sets. So let's see here. Alright, we got the loading cursor. We want Toshiba recovery. Yeah, when the data recovers execute, all data will be deleted and rebring unless factory default software with user data option. So accept myself. Yep, recovery of factory default software. Partitions will delete on the hard drive as an SD. Partitions will delete on the hard drive as an SD. Are you want to continue? Let's do it. So now it is going to start recovering. I'm going to time lapse this, and yeah. Alright guys, so the recovery is complete. We're going to push finish and let it reboot. I'm going to pop out the disk. It's gonna boot, yep, it's gonna boot to a PE. I don't know why it does, but okay. So I'm gonna put the disks away. I'm gonna say initialize the partition, please wait for like a sec or something. That's gonna initialize probably the system for mine. I'm gonna have to initialize my system in particular. Yep, initializing the partition. Please wait and just reboot. It's gonna have to initialize my system because this was for someone else's system, but it's the same exact model, so I guess that works. I'm gonna probably do a getting device to the right thing. Or maybe not. Okay, I guess not. So, Windows 8, I accept the agreement. We're going to skip that. So, I already have an asset system, so I'm just gonna put the asset. No, let's do this blue. I like that blue. I've always liked it. We're going to skip network, customize. Windows Update doesn't work in Windows 8, so let's see here. I always turn everything off. I just turn everything off. Honestly, I always turn everything off in Windows 8. Yeah, and I'm just gonna name the user local user. It's not gonna go on the domain, but I'm just gonna name it local user for now, and probably just make a new user with my name. So do that later on. Alright, let's start. So this is the OEM install. So the first thing I'm going to go and do immediately, yep, I will have to refresh the Experience Index, but I can do that later. Windows is now activated. So I'm going to first go and get rid of Norton, because I hate that pile of junk antivirus. And there's not a lot to this OEM. But I first want to get rid of Norton, because I do not like Norton. We're getting rid of Norton. Please remove all user data. Next, let's get rid of this piece of junk antivirus. Okay, let's fix the resolution. Let's fix the resolution. Make this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to connect to the internet soon to activate it. Should activate. Is there really not a thing for in settings? I know in 8.1 there is. I've really never used Windows 8.0, but I've used 8.1. That's really all I've used. Wireless, no. I guess maybe in Windows 8 there isn't. We'll restart later. I like how they make the button so tiny. Because it's probably, yeah, it's using my capture card resolution. I'm just gonna make it 1366 by 768. Apply. Okay. Yeah, I was using the capture card resolution. Yeah, I'll refresh the Experience Index in a sec. Let's finish uninstalling the Norton crap, because I just want that crap out of here. Yep, remove. Restart later. PC health check. Next, it's probably gonna say it's expired. It no longer be used. Yep. So who cares? Finish. Let's uninstall Norton Security Dashboard. finish. So I'm going to restart the system. You're not going to see it for a second, but it's going to show up on the laptop display. But basically this laptop is going to be my dedicated Toshiba OEM Windows 8 laptop. So yeah, this is going to be my Windows 8 laptop to use. So yeah, I just wanted to get the Norton stuff out. And so yeah, pretty much there's that. So alright, well, thank you guys for watching. Comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell so you guys receive new notifications on when I upload new videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.